Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. I know I do look a fright. It is house cleaning day. I did not plan on recording a video, yet my box from Brenda came in today. So I told her I would do a video unboxing it. So I am going to do that. I just got it from the UPS driver. And I'm super excited to see what's in here. Plus, the giveaway palette is in here. And the extreme frost that she sent me is in here. So, y'all know I have no patience. So, here we are. Live. In a real day. No makeup on. Did do my skincare this morning. And that's about as far as I've gotten. So, yep, I look a little rough. But, I'm impatient, and a promise is a promise, so here we are. Brenda, I do appreciate it again, honey. Brenda did get her blood sugar palette. She is super, super excited. I was super happy to be able to help her out in completing her collection of her bloodline. I know how I feel when I complete a collection. It is a very good feeling when you're able to do that. So I was super happy to have helped her out in that aspect. So here is, oh my goodness, and a little friend mail. Brenda, what did you do? Alright guys, so here is what the inside of the box looks like, and when I say it is packed full of goodies, it is packed full of goodies. There is a card. It says, "Thank you very much, Becca." I don't know if I'm going to be reading this or not, but I do want to take a minute to read it. Oh, it has a little doggy on it. I like the dogs. I am a dog mom. You're doggone nice. I put a few extra friend mail gifts in for you. If you have them or don't want, just add them to a giveaway. Be fine. Hope to get to know each other more. With love, Brenda Hipp. Smile. God loves you and I love you too. Thank you so much. Glad you are getting your frost you don't have. Thank you so much for swapping out with me. I'm so excited. Blood sugar. Woohoo. Brenda, I am so happy, honey. I'm so happy that I made you smile and your day a little bit better. And in that, yes, I am extremely happy for the frost, but I'm also extremely happy to have a friendship that is true and not two-faced or backstabbing or fake. That is very hard to find here. So I do treasure it very much. All right, guys, so let's see what she sent me. Again, there is the box itself. I do have my heater on in here. It is a little bit cool in Arkansas. But, hey, Miss Belle, do you want to come see? Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Do you want to see? Do you want to see what's in the box? What's in there? Oh, my goodness. What's that? What's that? Okay, get down. Let Chloe see. Let your sister see. Get down. You want to see Bug? Bug won't get on camera. She just does not like to. You gonna come up here? Are you gonna come see me? Oh, you are! Oh, that's a sweet girl. You want to see what's in there? It's so much stuff's in there, huh? Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, so the things that we knew were coming was the extreme frost. She bubble wrapped everything amazing. Are you going to sit up here with mommy? So this is the friend mail opening dog edition. This is the sour ice. And I have all of them now except for Gag Me. So I will be trying my hardest to get that one also. That is what it looks like. These are very icy, very pretty. Oh, so pretty. There's what it looks like. Oh, so beautiful. I'm going to have to do my makeup after this just to try it out. Alright, so there is that. And where is my nasty rag? My nasty makeup rag. Alright. And then the other thing is the Bloodlust palette that, of course, is in my Jeffree Star giveaway. If you have not seen that, it is in the Jeffree Star mystery box unboxings. Please do go over, check out the video, leave a comment if you'd like to enter for that. I am doing the Bloodlust palette along with 3 glosses and the lip scrub and then a few extras. There are 2 winners. And I'm going to be drawing the names for that on November 13th at midnight. So, we're going to sit that over there because it is going to one of y'all. The next thing we have in here is a pop socket from Jeffree Star. I did receive one of these before. I used it to the point, I keep it on my little makeup mirror because it's just, it has seen better days, guys. So I'm super excited to have a new one. Thank you, Brenda. I will definitely be using it. I do use them. I did regret not getting one in the mystery boxes this year, but all in all, the mystery boxes were great, so I'm not going to complain. Next, we have a Konjac facial cleansing sponge infused with French pink clay from WYLD. That is what it looks like. I don't know anything about this except it does say cruelty and vegan free, but a cleansing sponge. Okay. Alright, so it's just like a little pumice stone. It is a little hard. I can't smell anything, but that doesn't mean nothing. I will definitely try that out. It feels like it will be great for exfoliating, so I am all about that. Then she sent me 2 pairs of nails, which, thank you. I've been looking at fake nails. I do grow my own. These are mine, but I break them all the time. I broke my thumb, I broke this one, broke that one, and once I break a few of them, I just cut them all off and start over. So, having these when I have to cut them down, definitely appreciate that. We got some colored ones, and then we got some fallish red ones with some jewels on it from Luxe Nail Set. And then some from Kiss, Amazing Gel Look. When I do get my nails done, I do get them done in the gel formula. So, thank you very much. Those will come in handy. And I don't have any press-on, glue-on nails. So now I do. Okay. And then, these look like something that go on nails too. I'm not real sure. Maybe they're toenails. I will have to ask Brenda what these are. But I have them also. Then she sent me 3 eyelashes, a triple pack of the Broadway 100% human hair, lightweight reusable in Femme. That is what those look like. They are very, very flared, very in your face. I do like those. I have been loving the lashes I got last month in my BoxyCharm from LeVay Lashes. These little bad boys. I will be looking more into these. I've gotten lashes for a while in my boxes, and that is the first pair that I grabbed for over and over and over again. So I will definitely try those out. I am getting more into lashes, so I appreciate that. Then I got some Cusio, I think is how it's pronounced. It's a Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand body wash. I know this was featured in a FabFitFun box because I didn't get it. It was one of the items that I was hoping to get, so super excited about trying it out. I do appreciate it. I do want to smell it because I have to smell everything. Y'all already know. My husband laughs at me for that very same thing, but it's a real issue. And it is all taped up, which I like that feature. It doesn't spill out. Oh, this smells so good. Definitely be using that. I like the smell of that. I like the smell of that line of products. And then she sent me a Fenty Beauty product. This is the Freestyle Highlight Duo Kilowatt in, what does that say? Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. I changed my contacts yesterday, and I don't know why, but there seems to be like a fuzz over them. I don't know. Either way, I do have one other Fenty highlighter. It is in Trophy Wife. I do wear this. I do like it. It is very pretty. The outside container of these are beautiful. So this is what it looks like. It does have two. It is a duo of highlighter. Oh, it's pretty. And then that is what those colors look like. So that's very, very pretty. I will definitely be using that. And there they are. I will say Fenty Beauty's highlighters are very, very pretty. They last all day. And they come with a cute little mirror. Very easy, compact. Throw it in your backpack. Crossbody. I use a crossbody or a backpack. Not mentioning the purses anymore. But it's small. It's compact. Easy to carry. So that is what Brenda sent me. Thank you very much, honey. You didn't have to do all of that, but I do greatly appreciate it. You did send me things that I don't have. Some things that I wanted to try. So I'm super, super excited. And yes, the palette is in for the giveaway. So that will, like I said, take place on November 13th. So if you haven't entered already, do go over and enter that giveaway. Even if you have this palette and would like to win it for somebody else, I'm all about that too. I don't care. If you want 15 Bloodlust in your collection, that is up to you. Don't let nobody make you feel bad for entering a giveaway. That is why we have them. They are free to enter. So take your time. Come over, try your luck. Alright guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button down there. I would greatly appreciate it. If you like giveaways, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. It's cool. If you don't have Brenda on IG, check her out. Brenda Hipp. And again, Brenda, I greatly appreciate it. You went above and beyond. I'm super glad I can make your line of Bloodline complete. And I do appreciate the Extreme Frost and all of the other goodies. So that's it, guys. That's my video. Until next time, y'all take care.